Hey bro, did you watch the movie that entitled How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies?
Yes, bro. Ready.
Ah, first time bro. I just recently watched that movie bro. It's kinda long but it's kinda fun. And
Really?
it's so touching. Yeah, it's touching. So bro, I have prepared a question for you bro. Um how does the movie How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies depict the concept of adult life?
In How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies, the concept of a good life is depicted through the protagonist's quest for financial success and personal fulfillment. The film explores themes and ambition, relationships, and the impact of wealth on happiness. It suggests that a good life involves not only material success but also meaningful connection with family and friends.
Ah, we kinda the same, bro. Because I feel the same, bro. Because for me, bro, the film portrays the concept of good life, just like yours, through the lens of financial success, family connection, and urgent making meaningful memories. The protagonist's quest to secure the fortune before his grandma death emphasizes both the value of material wealth and the importance of familial bonds. The narrative suggests that fulfilling life is achieved not only through financial accomplishment, but also through love and experience. Do you have any questions for me?
Um, my question for you, bro, is which philosophers perspective on the good life is reflected in the movie? By example, from the film to support one.
For me, bro, the film reflects aspect of Aristotelian philosophy. Because particularly the idea of eudaimonia or human flourishing, which combines personal fulfillment with social relationship. Aristotle believed that the good life is achieved through virtuous activities and meaningful relationships. The protagonist's interaction with his grandmother and his effort to create memorable experience exemplify this. For instance, since highlighting their bonding moments showcase the idea that happiness derives from connection with others, alongside the pursuit of personal goals. Then I'm gonna ask you the same question now.
For me, bro, the movie reflects a blend of utilitarianism and existentialism. Utilitarianism is evident in the protagonist's desire to maximize happiness for themselves and their loved ones through financial gain. For example, the character motivations are tied to providing for their grandmother, highlighting the idea that the good life involves contributing to the well-being of others. Journalism is also present as a characters grapple with their choice and the meaning of their pursuit. The protagonist ultimately learns the fulfillment comes from experience and relationship, not just wealth. So, bro, the last question. Um, what does a good life mean to a personally? Which philosophers viewpoint aligns with your definition of a good life and why?
Personally, bro, a good life means achieving a balance between personal fulfillment, meaningful relationship, and contributing positive to the community. This aligns closely with the views of John, John Stuart Mill, who emphasizes happiness and the greatest good for the greatest number. Mill's utilitarianism resonates with the belief that a good life involves both personal satisfaction and the well-being of others. By fostering strong relationship and engaging in altruistic act, I believe one can achieve a truly fulfilling existence. If I'm gonna ask you this question, bro, what's gonna be your response?
For me, bro, a good life means finding balance between personal aspiration and nurturing meaningful relationship. It involves pursuing passions and achieving those I care about. This aligns with Aristotle's concept of eudaimonia, where the good life is about achieving personal potential and living virtuously. Aristotle emphasized the importance of community and personal growth, which resonate with my belief that fulfillment comes from both individual achievement and the connection we cultivate with others. So that's what I understand or upon the social one.
Sana hindi ko yung movie dito.
Yes, kaya kaya
Ito, hindi ko matundaan ba kay